Hey y'all, I just got this little test tube planter, so I'm gonna get it out and get it put together. So it comes with this nice picture frame with this grass on here and 4 little test tubes and the little hangers. You can either get plants that are more of like a flowery plant, or you can get more of like succulents, kind of cactus kind of thing going on, maybe something like this. So you can decide, and depending on what kind of plant you're going to put up there is depending on what kind of parts you're going to use. So it already has little holes punched in the back here, which makes it easy to hang up. So here we have it all finished and all the flowers are in place. And I think this is so gorgeous. I believe this would make a really great gift for somebody to use in their office or in their kitchen or bathroom. Just a very unique thing. People will walk in and instantly want to talk about just how cool this looks. And I'm going to get it hung up and show you what it looks like here in a minute. But overall, I think this piece is definitely going to be a statement piece in our house.